The floating camo head is back. All right, so because we had to squeeze in 2 lessons today because we had to do all types of standardized testing because for some odd reason we could not get that done last week. It was shut down to do it. Anyways, so part 1, exponential growth or decay. The TV is not on. Womp womp. Can't have nothing. Now the TV's on. All right. So remember, the value that's being raised to the x power has to be greater than 1 for it to be growth. So number 1 should be decay. Number 2 should be growth. Number 3 should be growth. Okay, remember, we're only going to have about 2 in each section. Okay. Anybody, hopefully we're good on this part, right? All right. Part 2, number 4. So here's the equation. This is our P. It's a green P. All right, our R. So this would be 0.075. Remember, if we move the decimal place 2 to the left or divide 7.5 by 100. Compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means how many times a year? Twice. That would be our N to the NT. Now, again, I would actually type this in as 2 times 5, or which is 10. Where did I get 2 from? I just made it up. Semi-annually. All right, so we're typing this in 2500 parentheses 1 plus. All right, here's where it gets difficult. Remember, N over D button. Pew! We type in 0.075. We scroll down to 2. We scroll over. Close it. Now, raise the roof. All right. You could type in 2 times 5, or what is 2 times 5? 10. I'm going to type in 10. All right. So this ends up being 3612.609. All right. So this, remember, we're going to round in there a cent. All right. So that's our answer for that one. Okay. Remember, there's only a semi-annually is 2, quarterly is 4, monthly is 12. Hi. Hey. I thought somebody was talking to me. Apparently, they're sending a voice message because there's going to be some fisticuffs later. But not with somebody that goes to school here. There's somebody that's in Tennessee, so it's okay. All right. All right. We go to number 4. All right. Now, number 5, option 2. So this E, now our percent, this is 0.09 times 5. All right. So 2500. That's the easy part. All right. Second, go down 1, 2 to the LN. I went down. I hit the second button here. 1, 2 to the LN. I do a parenthesis. 0.09 times 5. Where'd I get what? Second, I went down 2 buttons to the LN. What? I had a confused look from somebody. No, 0.09 times 5. It's the same thing that's written in orange on the screen. Is there a glare or something? Is that more better? Okay, that's more better. All right, hit enter. Okay. Now this one we get 3920.780. All right, so 3920.78. Now, which one is better? Option 1. Whoa, what is that? Option 1 or option 2? 2, because that gives you more money. Why is it better? Because you get more money. Okay. Remember, this is a Mr. Krabs problem. Money. Money. Okay. I probably should be Mr. Krabs. All right. So now, this section, this is going to stay the same amount of problems. The numbers will change. Okay. Same process. All right. Rewriting the equations in exponential form. This is 3 to the 4th is 81. This is 4 to the 4th is 256. Is that right? It doesn't smell right. It is right. 5 to the negative third is 1 over 125. All right. So now, here's what this does. This negative does. We've seen the 5 to the third is 125 a bunch over this since we've been back from spring break. Um, if it's a fraction, that means that the exponent is a negative. It just puts it in the basement. Okay. All right. Good through 7 through 9. I'm going to slowly scroll up. I know somebody's going to say, wait, wait, wait. I was looking at my Snapchat. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the Tic Tac. All right. Logarithmic form. Log base 6 216 equals 3. Again, it's all the reverse. Thank you, Missy Elliott. Doom, 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 doom. Whoops. Got ahead of myself. Is it worth it? Let me work it. Flip it in reverse. All right. Again, it seemed like a lot of problems, but how many y'all like it went faster than you thought? Yeah, thank you for the few people that said yes, no. All right, are we good through 12? Are we good? Because I know you missed a lot because you had the sickness disease. You were sick of this class. You didn't want to come. Who said wait? Oh, not me. Oh, my bad. You're still with your fighting stuff. Okay. All right. 7 to what power is 343? Okay. I don't have a very good way to do this. Okay. Other than I know that 7 squared is 49. So I just go 7 to the third power. Oh, guess what? I got it. So 3. I'm literally typing stuff in my calculator till I get the right answer. Now, 14, I don't have to use my calculator. What is the only thing that you can raise a number to and it be 1? 0. Now, if that makes sense, it doesn't. And what do we blame when it doesn't make sense? Drugs. All right. Now, number 15. 2 to what power equals 1 over 8? All right. It's a fraction. We know it's going to have a negative. Okay. When it's a fraction, we know it's going to be negative. 2 to what power is 8 to the third? Ta-da! Sometimes my students talk to their phones and their screens, and I don't know if they're talking to me or not. It's very weird. All right. Part 6, calculator work. The log button is here. Log 7. Bam! I get a number. Okay. So this is 0.85 up 450. So this is 0.845. Okay. Clear, clear, clear. Natural log of 8. Bam. There we go. So we get 2.0794. So 2.079. Log of 0.5. All right. This time we kind of got a negative. Yes, negatives happen. Okay. So negative 0.301. All right. See if this is just right. Okay. We good through 18? Yeah. All right. Expand and condense. This is the stuff we just learned about today. All right. I'm going to expand. Well, these two are multiplied, so I know that this is the log of 3 plus the log of y to the 7th. Am I done? Can I expand that a little bit more? What can I do? Yeah. we can move that 7 down there. And then we're done. That's the final answer. That's why it's in on the answer space. All right, 20, the reverse. Back it up, Terry. Your mom's name's Terry. Oh my gosh! Every time she put the car in reverse, I'd be saying that. Back it up, Terry. Back it up. All right. So this time we're going in reverse. So we put that 4. We put it up there. Now this is subtracting. What operation do we do with subtracting? Divide. Somebody whisper, divide is a secret. And that's the final answer. All right. Are we good with 19 and 20? Remember, this is just a pre-practice test. Tomorrow you get a practice test. Yeah, tomorrow's practice test. Yeah. All right. So now this is the change of base. This again stuff we just learned today. So when we plug this into our calculator, should be log 7 over log 5. So I got to use my N over D button. Log 7, log 5. There's, okay. This gives us 1.2090. Okay. Because that fourth decimal is not 5 or higher, and 22, this is log 9 over log of 2, and over D, log of 9 over log of 2. Woo. So we get a really big number. Not really, but it's got a lot of numbers up there. 9, 9. All right, so this would actually make all this roll over 1.170. Okay, because like if this is 69, 69 will rotate up to 70. All right. Now, that was just our pre-practice test. Okay. Probably had some areas that are like, yes, we did pretty good. Areas like, okay, thank goodness we got another chance. And if you need extra practice on it, especially if it was the stuff we did today, remember the back of that handout that you had today, the answers to that are in Schoology, just like this is about to be. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.